We're here at the Canton Fair. We're going to take you behind the scenes of what it's like to source at the world's largest trading fair. We're going to be negotiating with suppliers, finding the best products that you can sell online. I'm here sourcing for my own personal brands and also for a few clients as well. So let me take you behind the scenes and show you what it's like. Stay phase 3 of Canton Fair. We're going to today. So it is all kind of textiles. So think clothing. You want to start a clothing brand. This is kind of most people here feel like they're in some sort of clothing business. And then medical products. And sports products as well. As we're learning the other day, even if you're wanting to start a clothing brand, even going to the Canton Fair, it's interesting because you'll see the different styles and designs and stuff, and kind of you'll get ideas of things you could do. But again, it doesn't translate to you want to design something. Like, for example, the neckline needs to be right. The fit of the clothing needs to be right. The way the pattern and the stitching comes out needs to be right. So there's so much nuance that goes beyond just seeing something at the Canton Fair, but it's definitely a good place if you want inspiration and just some general supply relationships, which is one step further than most people ever get. So oh, Gold's Gym. So you're the supplier for Gold's Gym in America. Oh, wow.
This fabric we made in China. We just copy Gold's Gym's fabric.
Nice. They copy the fabric to the Gold's Gym. What's the MOQ for these? 500. You sell to Australia? Not yet? Oh, we can maybe change that. So what would the price be for the general fitness
This
leggings?
general around $7.
$7. Yeah, and the MOQ for these? 500 still. Can you so for different sizes, 3 or 4 sizes in the 500. Okay, right. And what sort of material is this?
This is nylon polyester.
Nylon. Is that the best type of material? Not best? What's best?
But it's already not bad.
Oh, right. So it won't go up the leg. Right. Okay. Makes sense. Yeah. So they copy the fabric from Gold's Gym to create these. But they're the official supplier for Gold's
This
Gym.
we import
Oh, yeah, you can see. Yeah.
from the fabric
Gold's
is
Gym.
from Italy.
Oh, nice. So this is China-made fabric or Italian?
It's Italian.
Italian. So the price will be higher for this?
Yeah.
$18. Wow.
More than half is.
But it feels the same though. Yeah, so you can order this $9 for the China fabric, $17 for Italian fabric from the supplier here.
Do you make my size?
His size. No.
Double price? What's a fabric?
Really can make.
Custom size for big boy.
Thank you.
That's right, I'll give these back. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's really cool. So those guys seem like a good supplier. They do all the fabrics for Gold's Gym in the US and also Germany as well. So you can see you can start a clothing brand. It's not hard. Minimum order quantity for that is 500 pieces. We're talking a $9 unit price and her MOQ is 500 pieces. So I shouldn't have sure. I had to figure that out. So we're talking $4,500 here to start your own clothing brand, get your own brand on that piece of clothing. It's a pretty small investment. I think a lot of people look at sourcing from China and starting their own brand as tens of thousands of dollars, maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars. But you really don't need to spend that. And I think being here and talking to suppliers is proof of that. So you're the supplier for New Balance?
Yeah, we are the official supplier.
Oh, no way.
In Australia.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because Sydney Thunder, New Balance. So yeah, these guys are the official supplier for New Balance here in Australia. As you can see, it's the Sydney Thunder, New Balance. So yeah, an incredible supplier. Really, really cool we found these guys. How much for this one?
How many pieces do you need?
What's the MOQ?
For this is 10.
10?
Just 10. Yeah.
Oh, is that it? So can we customize this
Yeah.
as much as you want?
Full customization. Okay.
Okay, and just for 10 pieces?
Yes. For sublimation, 10 pieces.
Wow, that's super low. Okay. And the price, say for 10?
For this one.
Yeah.
For this design.
That design, cool.
15.
$15.
Yeah.
So how much, so if we order 100 or 1,000,
100.
how does that get cheaper?
Cheaper.
Yeah, but how much? Because 15 US is still expensive. Still up there. So why is it so expensive? Is it the type of fabric or?
No. So just for the logo, the embroidery, and this is textile and also the ribbing material.
Ribbing, okay. So if there was no embroidering, And it was just like printed on.
Sublimation printing
Yeah.
for the whole jersey.
So would that make it cheaper?
Yes.
Okay, so cool. And you can do any design on this.
Yes. If you have your own design, you can put it on this jersey, and we can customize that.
Okay, cool. And the lead time for this? 7 days.
Yeah.
So if someone
7 days.
so if someone wanted to start a clothing brand, so they send everything to you, and then once you confirm it, it's 7 days. Getting it through. Okay.
Yeah, but if for larger quantities, the time will be long.
Cool. And what's the best seller product to America? What sort of design?
Maybe some basketball jersey, soccer jersey.
Soccer jerseys, Americans love.
Yeah, and American football jersey.
Yeah. Is there any American football jerseys? Yeah. It's good, right? These ones?
These three, yeah.
Yeah, very cool. And the MOQ on all this is still just 10.
Yeah, was automation.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty incredible. So you can start a clothing brand here with this supplier. The MOQ is just 10 pieces. So you only have to buy 10 to get started. If you want to do anything custom, so you want to like shorten the sleeves, do different designs, etc., it's an MOQ of 50. But even still, this is an incredible way to start a brand from scratch without having to go and mine thousands of pieces and putting up tens of thousands of dollars of upfront capital. And these are the sort of incredible suppliers that you can find at the Canton Fair. At the Canton Fair, they don't just have Chinese suppliers. We're in the international pavilion, where you can go and compare suppliers from China, Turkey, Egypt, and all around the world. So you walk to the next hall, get your Chinese sample, walk it across, compare it to a Turkey sample, like you might want to import a towel, for example. You can find suppliers for all over the world for just a towel, and you can compare which country is going to be able to source you the best product.
Speak good Chinese.
Oh, I try. Not very good Chinese. Just a few words. What's the best-selling towel? Like, what does...
This kind of licensed towels.
Like from Spider-Man?
Yes, Spider-Man, Frozen, Disney, cartoon.
Wow. So
Yeah.
do you have the license, or does someone have
Yes. Usually the buyer they have the licenses.
So like, is it the number of fibers, or...
The material is microfiber, 100% polyester. Yeah.
Okay. Nice. And so you sell different sizes, and
Yeah.
and so what's the MOQ if you want to try some?
Usually 2,000 pieces.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
And the price for just a standard microfiber towel?
Because right now I didn't have the idea for you the seat sizes.
Let's just say if it was this same size. Just
Or the same size. This is around big 1.05.
1.05. So $1.75.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. And that goes cheaper, I assume, the more you buy.
Yeah.
And
Of course,
and the lead time for this?
30 days.
30 days.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Great. Yeah, these are really cool. I like them. How many of these a month do you produce?
6,000.
600?
No, sorry. 600,000.
600,000 pieces a month.
A month.
Yeah. You must have a big factory.
Yeah. Here is our factory.
Oh, wow. Where is that? Do you go to the factory every day?
Yeah, every day.
Nice, does. And how long are you at Canton Fair for?
Our factory is built in 1990s. So every year we will come to
So
Canton Fair.
Every year since 1990.
Yeah.
Has it got better, Canton Fair?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Lots of Western buyers, or?
Yeah. This morning we have met lots of Western customers, but also we have the customers from the outbreaker and yeah.
Well, what's your biggest market? Where do you
The
sell?
market is Europe.
Europe.
Yeah.
Nice. Awesome. What was your name?
My name is Sherry.
I'm Jack.
Okay, nice to
Nice
meet
to
you.
meet you. 谢谢.
Yeah. 谢谢.
On camera.
Theft, yeah. Sherry. Yeah, I mean, it's good. I mean, those sort of products are pretty stock standard, but they're just microfiber towels. But I think if you, like I was trying to explain, the car seat towel that I've seen, they sell really well on TikTok Shop, Amazon, etc. You could work with a supplier like Sherry. As she said, like she can do custom pretty well anything, assuming it entails using microfiber. So if you give her a custom design, so just talking about our car seat towel, she can go and produce it. Her MOQ is pretty low, and I think $2 US seems kind of expensive, to be honest, but those sort of towels, especially ones that are more niche, you could sell for 30, 40, 50 bucks a pop, especially if they're branded. So yeah, I think it's good. And she seems like a legitimate supplier, big time. They've been here every year at the Canton Fair since 1990. So yeah.
I texted you on Instagram comments. I was like, "Are you coming to the fair?" Just wanted
way.
to say hi. You know, your content is amazing, by the way.
Thanks, bro.
Like I used it a lot. I'm starting a company as well.
Yeah.
And Just the insights are incredible.
That's awesome. What do
Just
you
wanted to say thank you.
are you starting?
I have a export company to Europe for hotelery stuff.
Okay.
So
for what sort of things?
hotelery.
Artillery.
Yeah. No, like hotels.
Yeah. I'll really
Actually, I had to tell you this. I used your was it Foshan that you guys went to for the furniture like a year ago?
Yeah.
I used that video and like I showed it to a couple potential clients. I was like, look at this, you know?
No, I do. We'll keep going. But
Yeah.
lovely to meet you.
Yeah.
And
Have a good day, you know?
I followed you, so just anything you need, just let me know.
Absolutely.
Done.
Have a good
Legend.
day.
Thanks for saying hey.
Do you speak English?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's the MOQ for this?
1,500 this is.
1,500.
Yes.
And can you customize it?
Yes, that's good. We can add your logo.
Add logo, but can you like remove the stripes and change the location?
Yes.
So you can change it all.
Yes.
Okay.
Based on your requirement.
Yeah. And what's the lead time?
3 months for repeating order and about 3.5 for the new order.
So 3.5 months to produce it. Is it possible to make that quicker?
What kind?
Yeah, like maybe 1 or 2 months. No.
To start for that.
Okay. And what would the price be for this one? Yes.
This one.
Yeah.
30.5.
US dollar?
Yes.
Yeah, 13.5 US dollars seems pretty expensive. And what's it? Is this one the same kind of price? This one here?
Yeah.
And this one too? So like 11 US dollars.
No, this one is different style.
So more expensive or cheaper?
This one is more expensive.
Okay, cool.
Because the fabric is different.
Like this here, more expensive. Different fabric, different design, different style. You can see that if you add the more reflective parts, it means the product is more expensive and seems to be the major cost driver. Okay, cool. I think we're good.
Okay, cool. 谢谢。
Yeah, I don't need a card. Let's go.
You wanna try the bed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is fur.
This style for reading and
It's very good.
watching TV.
Where are you from?
Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Hey.
We buy lots of mattresses. Do you have different sizes of mattress?
Yes, we can produce different sizes per your request.
Yeah.
For us, we are manufacturer.
Yeah.
Have factory. So whatever mattress
You want
in your view, we can produce it for you.
right, so you can make any mattress.
Yes. You know, this is a pair.
So
It's too big. It's too big.
you do both sides.
Now these two single rise.
Yep.
Single rise, so you use one remote, you can control two bed.
Uh-huh.
But you can also dislink unpair.
Oh, so you
Unpair. So wife and husband use different adjustment.
adjustment, yeah. So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can can sync the remotes together.
Yeah.
And so that has massage as well.
Massage. Yeah, this one.
Oh yeah, it does. My whole body's vibrating. This is very cool. Makes sense. Okay, so
Inside 200.
we'll get your WeChat. You can send me the price for the double bed as well.
Sure.
That would be good.
Sure.
Yeah, I love those sort of products because they're hard to import, which means the barrier to entry to get into selling beds, for example, is really high. And in Australia, we have a program called the NDIS, which you can get into selling like disability approved beds, and the government actually funds a portion of it, which means that you have an instant market from day one. So this sort of stuff, especially with these sort of features, like if a disabled person needs some sort of massaging feature or they need the ability to sit up in bed in the morning, all that sort of stuff there, are really, really good selling points that you can lean into.
Nice to meet you. Pleasure. How you doing? Yeah, man. Yeah, I follow you on Instagram. Oh, awesome.
How much for this?
2.5,
What's the MOQ?
1,000.
1,000 pieces. Right. You sell to America market?
Yes?
Yep. Nice. And we can customize, put our logo on here.
Yeah.
Interesting. And can we change the design of these things?
Yes, of course.
Okay. And the lead time?
It's 60 days.
60 days. Cool. What color is the best seller? Like what sells the best?
Pink, blue, purple.
One of these bad boys. Are these price?
5.
$5 US?
Yes.
Okay. And the MOQ, same?
Same. Yeah.
Same here. Cool. And you have different sizes as well that you can
Yes.
sell. So
We have around 20 sizes.
20 sizes. So is the MOQ per size? So 500 per size, or
We do 1,000 pieces for 3 to 4 sizes.
3 to 4 sizes?
Yes.
So if someone wanted to order 1,000 pieces, you could combine with 3 to 4 sizes.
Yes.
Okay, makes sense. Okay, great. Thank you. Can I have your business card?
Yes.
Thanks. Yeah, I think kids' niche generally is super interesting because it's something that most people typically tend to stay away from selling. But all this sort of stuff here, mums love it, love dressing their kids up. You know, costumes, they're huge, especially if there's something different about them as well. But even just selling them on places like Shopify, Amazon, getting on and selling them, there's a market for all this sort of stuff. And especially if you get the right influencers and the right ads with kids doing cute things in these sort of costumes. Parents are like, yeah, my kid will look cute in that too. And great. And also too, parents are really easy to target because Facebook will know typically that it's a parent with a newborn kid. So Facebook's algorithm is really easy to be able to get in front of those parents. Anyway, kids wear, it's a cool product, cool market to get in.
This is a big boss, Alan.
You'll see.
Yeah, that's hard.
Nice. Come to China to source for your local militia.
Japan, Nick.
Yeah, I did actually. And so this has been our day at the Canton Fair. As you can see that there is so much that goes into sourcing. You can pretty well find anything in the world here at, again, the world's biggest expo. So if you do need help with sourcing or you've got your own product that you want to bring to life, it's one thing coming here and you should go, you should meet suppliers, you should see what's here. But beyond this, there's the complexities around payments, shipping and everything else that goes into sourcing. So if you are wanting help, there should be a link down below. If it's still available, I've got my own personal sourcing team here in China. So if you want help, you have a brand that you want to start, you have a brand and you want to explain your supply chain, look for the link down below and you can fill in the application. So this is just day one of many here at stage 3 of the Canton Fair. So stay tuned and we will be showing you everything else that goes on behind the scenes here over the next couple of days. This is very nice. Where are we? The Ritz-Carlton, Guangzhou. I like staying at these sort of hotels because they're efficient, they've got Western food, they've got a gym, you can go to the sauna, you can get up and go to work. There's no oh, do I have to have dumpling for breakfast and where's the eggs kind of thing.
Chinese.
What?
At least this one doesn't give Ghostbusters.
Yeah, no, it doesn't actually. Oi, what's the time?
I don't know, bro.
Can you tell me the time? He's not happy.